number 1. Ano ngayon ang nararamdaman mo, na-feel mo?
I feel quite nervous for now.
Number naman siya, number. So, pag sinabing number, judge ang magbibigay ng question. Okay. So, let's have judge number 3.
Hello, candidate number 1. Ito yung tanong ko sa iyo. English ba or Tagalog?
It's up for you, pero better to translate it first in English then Tagalog next.
Okay. In the face of economic instability and poverty, what innovative solution would you propose to promote sustainable development and economic empowerment for marginalized communities? Okay, sa Tagalog naman. Sarap ng kawalan ng katiyakan sa ekonomiya at kahirapan. Ano ang mga bagong solusyon na ipropropose mo upang itaguyod ang tuloy-tuloy na pagunlad at pang-ekonomiyang kapangyarihan para sa mga marginalized na komunidad?
Okay, thank you for that beautiful question, judge number 3. And I would do as a young teenager here, I would provide a program for a community which can stand the malnutrition for everyone, which can, because mental health awareness and the physical of our residents here that needs some foods can help. Every 1 month have feeding program for the malnutrition that can contribute to our sustainable development to not add gains in the sustainable development, because we can create a solution with that. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much, candidate number 1.
Ma'am Jo, napansin ko kaninang nag-a-answer o yung candidate number 1 natin. Parang hindi tayo kumikibo. Hindi rin tayo gumagalaw. Tayo ang ninenervous para sa kanila. And now, let's have candidate number 3. Yung number na nabunot ay judge number 5.
Ay, mic daw po, mic. Lahat sila po.
Okay, candidate number 3, how are you?
Okay lang.
Okay, this is my question. As a candidate of Binibining Naganakan, what do you think is the best essence of being a woman? Do you want me to translate in Tagalog?
Sige lang.
Okay. Bilang isang kandidata ng Binibining Naganakan, ano sa tingin mo ang pinakamagandang diwa ng isang babae?
Para po sa akin, para po sa tao ako, para sa akin, ang tinataglay ng dapat na candidates ay hindi man po ako matalino, hindi man po ako ganun katalino gaya ng ibang kandidata. Ngunit kaya ko pong ipakita sa inyong lahat na kaya kong gawin ito at kaya kong malagpasan ito kahit na nervyosa po ako. Para po sa akin, ang dapat na taglayin ng isang kandidatang katulad namin kandidatang katulad namin ay ang pagiging mataas ang confidence na tumayo sa inyong harapan ngayon. Dahil alam ko po na karamihan sa amin ay kinakabahan at gaya ko rin po na mababa ang confidence sa aking sarili. Pero po, pinagpatuloy ko pa rin po ito dahil ito po ang aking gusto at gusto ko pong mapatunayan sa lahat na kaya ko po itong gawin sa kabila ng mga salita na naririnig ko sa inyo na hindi ko kaya, ganito ganyan. Salamat po.
Thank you very much, candidate number 3. Yes naman, dapat may confident ka sa iyong sarili.
Confidence is the key, sabi niya. And now, let's have candidate number 2. Judge number 2.
How are you, candidate number 2?
Okay naman po.
So this is my question. What is that one thing about Barangay Naganakan that makes you proud?
Thank you for that wonderful question, sir. I believe that the most wonderful thing here at Naganakan that makes me so proud is the cooperation and the participation of every Naganakan here. In every activity, all of them participate and have the cooperation and shows to everyone that Naganakan can improve itself. And I thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 2.
Magaganda naman sila. Matatalis naman.
Magaganda.
That is the proud Naganakan.